Hey guys, back here, Gunner here. I want to do a little update on this Glock 19 from Umarex. I had this a little over a year, and just want to do a chapter 2 on it. It's still hanging in there. The seals are still really good in it, so it holds air really well. Really impressed with this. You know, you can still buy these things now. I think they're like 59 bucks now. When I got it on Black Friday. They were retailing, I think, at the time for 69 because it just came out. But then they had like a 20% off deal and some other sort of deals. So I got it for $49. But I kind of want to do a chapter 2 of this and show you how this is holding up. Take it outside and put some rounds through it, and you know, you guys can see what you guys think of this. Still got some zip to it, and you know, if you're looking for a Glock 19 BB replica, can't go wrong with this. The only thing it don't have is the blowback, but I mean, blowback uses a little bit more of your air, so you'll get more shots with this one with the non-blowback. And I don't know. I mean, I like blowback, but it's nice, you know, being able to get a little bit more shots out of your CO2 with not having it. So we'll go outside, get some shots with this. Actually, I'm going to use my new action camera. We'll see what it looks like, and if the footage is good, I'll upload it. If not, I'll just use this camera, and you'll see the shots do that. So let's go outside to the backyard and see what we can do with this thing. Alright guys, we're going to take some shots using the action camera. Should be interesting. First time using this. Actually, let me get in a better spot here. Got that one. Damn. There we go. Tried to reset the squirrel. Some little monster. And I'm out. See how this little action camera works here. First time using it. Got a little monster in front of the action camera. Are you actioned? Are you action campered? Hello? You crazy little monster. Reloading. Do it again. See what it looks like when I go out in front of it. Turd. Alright. See if we can hit those last two jugs. Let me go on the other side. There we go. Guess I'll shoot at the action target with the skull and the milk jug we got hanging out up there. Is that? Try to keep both eyes open. And I got the milk jug. Not too bad. See, it's hanging in there, man, for being over a year old. It's not doing too bad. I do use tug gun oil though, which keeps your seals lubricated. Yeah, hit the golf ball. Just barely nudged it inside the pellet trap. See if we can hit one of the swingers. That was close. That was close. Man, I keep zipping right by it. There we go. Reload and do it again. Figured I'm gonna shoot this CO2 dry, so shoot some more. There we go, hit the little swinger. Not too bad, not too bad. So, guess fire at the milk jugs on the ground. Just said I want to shoot this thing dry. Really happy with this. My purchase, you know, I've had it over a year. Put a lot of rounds through it. Really cool BB pistol. If I'm remembering correctly, I think this has a 17 round magazine. What I need to get is one of those head mounts for the GoPro. Or it's not a GoPro, it's a cheaper a cheaper alternative to the GoPro, but it seems like it works pretty well. I don't know, I'm pretty happy still with this thing. It's been a few weeks since I shot it. It's got one of these stick magazines. You reload it and we'll go again. I thought about maybe start shooting up a little bit closer, because I really shoot too far back for these BB guns. I know most people shoot maybe 15, 20 feet back. I'm always 35. I'm always pushing it, so my shots go a little wild. Gotta make an excuse. Shoot those little milk jugs on the ground again, make them dance around. See if we could hit the skeleton, the long skeleton guy in the pellet trap, see if we can make him dance. Oh, he's jiggling, guys! Hit the little pellet tin, and the pellet tin was sideways. He's jiggling again. And we're out. Still gonna run this thing dry, see how many shots we can get. Guess let's get a little closer, shoot back into the trap, see if I get the swingers again. And missed that one. Focus. There we go. Out again. So shots go really quick in this thing. So what have you guys asked Santa for Christmas, air gun wise? Let me know down in the comments. Shoot a big skeleton head. Well, that went quick. Starting to kind of wind down a little bit. Still got some CO2, so gotta keep shooting. We're gonna see how much CO2 we get shot wise just on one of them. More shots. Let's move over to the action target again. Make sure I got you. Focus a little more. You can see, when you step a little bit closer, it becomes a lot more accurate. Getting really weak. Might get one more magazine out of this. Let's go again. Go back to the action target. As you can hear, coming out pretty weak. Yeah, it's just looping now. And we're out. This thing's shooting real weak, so what we're going to do is count all these. I'll put it in the comments below how many shots I got, because I got to count all this stuff and let you guys know. But Glock 19 by Umarex Chapter 2. Wanted to get you this video up for you guys to see how many rounds we can put through this thing. Catch you on the next one.